what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today we're doing a macaroni salad. Stick around. Alright, for my pasta salad, I got some celery, some bell pepper, and some red onions in here. I'm not going to soften them up. I'm just going to heat them up a little bit. Soften them just a little bit, not much. I don't want them to cook. I just want them to take some of the edge off of it, but bring some sweetness and some flavor to it, so when I add it to it, you know, it's going to give more dimension to my salad. Stick with me. Let me show you how I'm going to do this. Alright, I got this going on a very low heat. And I'm just going to sweat these a little bit. And they're just about where I want them, so I'm going to let these go for about 3 or 4 more minutes. I'm going to add it to my pasta and my other ingredients, and we're going to let them cool down. Alright. Got this where I want it to be. So I'm going to pull this off and let it cool off. Then we'll add our pasta. Alright, noodles are cooled off, and so has the veggies, so we're going to add in our pasta and get that mixed together. Give this a quick stir. Incorporate the veggies like I set up. You want to leave a little crunch to the veggie. Just want to bring out those flavors in them, you know, by applying a little bit of heat. So we'll get out the rest of our ingredients and I'll show you what they are. I'm going to go with a couple of tablespoons of mayonnaise. Get this started. Get that a mix. Alright, about a teaspoon of sweet relish, just a teaspoon. A half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. 2 hard-boiled eggs that I'm going to chop up and put in. Give that a mix. Try to keep it all in the bowl. Taste to adjust with seasoning. I like to have a little more sweetness to this. I'm going to add just a smidge of honey. Add my honey to that. That's where I want it. I got a nice little crunch off the veggies. Smoothness of the mayo. That honey brings a little bit of that out of there. Everything's on point. It's the good stuff. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. And let's tell a friend about me. Subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you on the next one.